guys? In today's video, we're going to be talking about a product that is doing over $100,000 in revenue a month on Amazon. Okay, guys, so we're going to hop over to my computer and I'm going to show you exactly what that product is. We're going to go over some, analysis and analytics of the numbers that this product is doing, what I think the seller is actually taking home, or in other words, how much profit the seller is making a month based on some numbers that are run. If you have noticed a difference in the quality of the videos, today is actually the first time that I'm using a new lens that I just got. So if you notice like an increase in quality, definitely let me know in the comment section below, because I want to make sure that my videos are getting better and better as I make them. But let's hop into my computer and let's find out what this product is. All right, guys, so the product that we're going to be talking about today is this Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer. It's actually ranked #1 on Amazon in the beauty and health category. And I'm about to show you guys how much money these people are making that are selling this product. Now, this is a product that anyone can sell. Anyone can go out there and open up a wholesale account with Revlon or open up a wholesale account with one of their distributors. It's not an easy thing to do by any means, but it is a strategy that I teach in my program, which you can find in the description below. And I'm gonna show you guys right now all the Amazon third-party sellers that are selling this product right now. Like you can see this company right here called Specialty Skincare. This company right here, Idella Shop LLC. These are all third-party Amazon sellers like you and I, right? They all have a wholesale account with Revlon, or they have a connection with a distributor that is giving them this product at a good enough price that they can make a profit selling it at this $29.39 price here on Amazon, right? So if we scroll down below the product description, you'll get to this area right here where it will show you the sales rank of the product. Now, you always want to look at the parent category. The parent category is always the one that doesn't have a link, doesn't have a hyperlink. Like, for example, this one has a hyperlink. This is a subcategory. It's not the parent category. Beauty and personal care is the parent category of this product. So what we're going to do is we're going to type the rank, which it's rank #1. And we're going to go to United States because that's the market that we're in. And I'm going to type beauty and personal care, calculate sales. So this product right here is selling 107,520 units a month. So we're going to go over here, and this product is selling for $29.39. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the calculator, and we're going to do, how many units was it? 107,520. We're going to do 107,520 times, let's just say $29, right? That means they're doing $3,118,000 in revenue a month. This product is doing. Now, obviously, there's not one seller that's doing all that revenue, because the way Amazon works is if there's multiple people selling this product at the same price with the same shipping times, Amazon rotates the buy box evenly amongst all sellers, meaning all the sellers will make the same amount of money. So if we look at this guy is the only one selling it at this price. Everyone else is trying to sell it at a higher price, meaning that this seller right now that has the buy box, he probably has the buy box for 90% of the time. So he's making most of the money right now because he's the one that's selling it at the best price and also has the best shipping. Other people have prime shipping, but they can't compete with him at price. So Amazon's going to favor him most of the time when it comes to selling this product. So let's just say that he's making most of this $3 million in revenue right now, right? We'll cut him. We'll just be super realistic and say he's only making $2 million, right? $2 million in revenue. Now let's take $2 million and times it by the profit margin that I think he's making. So if he has a direct connection with the brand, especially a name brand like Revlon, they're actually a public company. You can buy their stock in the stock market. I'm thinking he probably has 10% margins, right? And I only say this because if you have a direct connection with the supplier, the brand, they usually, because they have an infinite amount of this hair dryer, because they manufacture an infinite amount, they don't really want you to have a high profit margins with them, because they got other people that are buying from them in bigger amounts than you are, like Walmart and other companies like that, right? So usually when you have a direct brand account with the brand, they offer like 10 to 15% profit margins for you to make, right? If he has a connection with a distributor, one of Revlon's distributors, then he might have a higher profit margin, maybe like a 20, 25, 30%. Obviously I'm just talking averages here. I have students that make 50% plus profit margins with certain products, but if we're talking averages, I'm probably thinking he's making like 10% profit, 15% profit from this product. So let's just do 2 million, right? Times 10% profit margins. So, okay, that's a lot of zeros. Okay, yeah, this is 2 million right here. So if we take this times 10%, this dude's making 200,000 profit a month selling this one product. Now, obviously, guys, my numbers are way off because I didn't even go really analytical into finding out, who's getting this percentage of sales, who's getting the other percentage of sales. But this is a rough estimate, guys, of what it looks like when you're doing this many units a month with a product and you're only making 10% profit margins. A lot of people, they look at 10% profit and that kind of scares them away, and they're like, nah, I can't make enough money. I can't make a lot of money only selling 10% profit margin products. But guys, you can. And then the biggest thing that you should wrap your head around is that this product is doing 107,520 units per month with no ads. This is strictly Amazon's organic traffic. This is strictly them doing these amount of sales using Amazon's 100 million plus customer base, the organic visitors that they get every single day. It's crazy that you can make this type of money on Amazon off organic traffic alone. And that's really just what I wanted to expose to you guys. So you can see that it's possible to make money on Amazon selling name brands like this because they get crazy amounts of traffic. This brand, Revlon, is a big, big company. A lot of people know about this brand. They've already established their credibility in the marketplace. Amazon has already established its credibility in the marketplace as a go-to website to buy products, right? So when you combine Revlon's credibility and Amazon's credibility together, you get numbers like this. You start to see products that are doing 100,000 plus units a month organically, because Amazon is just an e-com beast. So I hope this video puts things in perspective for you and opens up opportunities, ideas for you. If you found any value in this video, please leave a comment down below, leave a like on the video. And if you really liked it, subscribe to the channel. I'm only going to consistently post better and better content. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.